Hi everyone, Charles Wilkinson from Argo Yachting here at the Dusseldorf Boat Show. We're on day 3, really busy, awesome stand. There is a bit of noise around, so forgive a bit of disturbance. But what I've got to show you now is the Galeon 410 HTC. This is a coupe version of the 400 Fly, which we're very familiar with. We've got videos on that and all the material on that boat. But the coupe version's really cool. Obviously it's the same boat, just without the flybridge. And the benefit is you have this opening canopy just here, as well as a hard top roof in the saloon, which we'll see in a second. But it's really nice. It's very sleek when you look at it from the side. It's a very nice profile on it. Looking at the aft straight away, obviously we've got this nice wet bar just here, a griddle, sink, and then a separate section there for a cool box. It's got a plug in it, so you can fill it full of ice, put loads of beers in it or whatever, wine. And then just beneath me, obviously we've got a platform. It's hydraulic, so it will go down into the water. Really easy access into the sea. So if you've got paddle boards and things, you can, easy to use. And there are steps that kind of go down with it, which is really nice, just here. Just as before we step up, you'll see this little sticker here. It says Argo Assured Warranty. I'll just mention it really quickly. What it is, it's a 5-year warranty on all new Galeons that we supply as a company, Argo Yachting, but it's a really good peace of mind for the first owner. If you'd like more information, we can obviously talk about that later. So, as we walk into the cockpit, of course, the famous Galeon balconies, and it just opens up the whole space of the boat. You don't feel kind of crammed in at all when you're sat on the sofas. Just gives you a lovely connection to the sea. That makes such a difference. And I love this permatique decking as well. It's just super easy to clean, and it looks very modern as well. But as you see, as we come into the cockpit, we've got really nice lighting, as well as the little LED spotlights on the outside. It's a really nicely lit area at night, especially if you wanted to have dinner here. In terms of the seating, really nice L-shaped seating just here. And then this backrest even lowers down. So when this balcony's open, you can sit there, have a drink, looking at the sunset, or even just to put your shoes on and off when you're getting off the boat. This table does fold out quite nicely. I won't do it because obviously there's a place setting there, but you can see these supports come out, the table leafs open, just extending it. What I love on the HTC version is that it's got, because we don't have the stairs here on the port side, the bifolding doors are in 4 units and the whole thing opens up, which is completely unique. Normally they kind of layer behind themselves, but these fold away completely to the side, and you can see it just gives you a completely open entrance into the saloon. It's really lovely. This seating position is obviously facing the aft section, so if everyone's having a drink, eating, snacks, whatever, it's super easy. Obviously this flips, as we all know, flips like that. And then of course this seat does unpin, and then it can also swivel here, so it just gives a great connection from saloon to outside. As we come inside, great headroom, lovely windows all the way around, loads of cool lighting on these Galeons, LED strips. It's got a really nice light feel about it. And one thing to mention on this specific boat, it's actually got the new upholstery selection by Galeon. It's absolutely gorgeous texture, but yeah, it's the new fabric line, which is quite exciting. Really lovely matte finish grey wood as well. And this table does actually drop down. It's even got kind of a little extension bit if you wanted to have a big meal around here, but it does drop down, infill cushion, really comfortable. As we walk a bit forward, we do have a pop-up television, by the way, just back there. But here in the galley, great headroom, of course. I'm quite tall, 6'4". Great view out to sea. You've got a lovely galley here. I love this resin worktop as well. It's really cool. It's got a lovely, lovely look to it. Induction hob, microwave, fridge. Just a really usable space. Little rubbish bin area just there. It's a very nicely thought out area. Even got speakers in here, air conditioned, generator. It's a very well fitted boat, this specific one, which is great. On the starboard side, you've got this very cool sporty looking helm. I love these kind of lines going towards the center of the boat with these red lights everywhere. It's very good looking. It just feels very sporty. We've got the setup here with the twin Raymarine plotter screens, radar, plotters, autopilot. You can even see this tracking depth sounder just here. It's really cool. Your standard Volvo Penta digital display, the autopilot, which I mentioned, bow thruster, chain counter, just a really good setup. Believe it or not, this specific model can have 6 engine options. It's crazy, but this specific one has the Volvo D6 engines, so stern drives, legs at the back, duo prop, but it does have the joystick function, so super easy for the manoeuvring. We can twist the boat, push it alongside. It's just a really nice function to have. It's an additional option to the engine, but it's got it, so it's great. course, huge sliding helm door. This is actually bigger than the one on the 450, weirdly, so it's huge. I mean, it's like a patio door you'd have at home. And just to give it kind of an emphasis for size, it just, yeah, fully opens up this whole side. Again, awesome location for engine throttles. You can really easily access these just next to the side. Talking to your crew, whatever it is, it's all easy. So we're down here on the lower deck. Got awesome natural light from this windscreen just above me, so it's absolutely flooded, but it's lovely. So we've got 2 cabins just here, VIP just in front, really nice VIP cabin where we've got twin beds that kind of come together as one, as a double. Great standing headroom, lovely LED lights, lots of windows. Of course, the windows on these boats are awesome. But yeah, it's just a really good area. We've even got 2 hanging lockers either side. It's just a lovely space, nice carpets, easy access onto the beds. A very good space with storage as well, which is important. And actually just there, which you can see, is the Jack and Jill ensuite. And as you can see, it's lovely. You've got the electric loo with a rainfall shower just above. Great windows. Yeah, very good ensuite. So this is your day head as well. And just behind me here, we have the midships cabin, full beam. Granted, not max headroom, but it is a full beam. So you have a lovely double bed and loads of storage either side, and of course an ensuite just there with a separate shower to the loo, and it even has a bench seat as well, which is really nice. But I love the woodwork on Galeon. It's really noticeable when you come in here. You can feel the quality of all the woodwork they do to the joinery. Really good handles, magnetic latches, so it's all super easy to use. It's just got a really nice feel to it everywhere. So we're just here on the foredeck. You can see we've got this lovely sun pad arrangement. What I love actually on this is that you can remove that middle section cushion just so it floods the bow cabin full of light if you want to. It's just a really nice option to have. Yeah, very comfortable cup holders, good walkway, high bow rail. You feel very secure, really good tow rail as well, so you don't feel like you're going to slip off the sides at all. I even love this little backrest there, so you can just have a perch on the front and you can put that down as well. It hides underneath the seat, which is great. Chain locker right beneath me with an electric anchor windlass, of course, so you can operate that from the helm or manually from here as well. So yeah, really good foredeck, nice and safe, easy access. Let's go back to the cockpit and finish the video. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell so you get alerted each time we upload any video, not just broker walkthroughs. And if you can like the video, it really helps our channel as well. So that concludes the walkthrough tour here on this Galeon 410 HTC here in Düsseldorf Boat Show. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I hope I showed all the features and what it's all about, the coupe version. It's quite striking, this boat. It looks really, really good from the outside. It's awesome looking. And obviously lots of great space, open up all the doors. Yeah, it's just a lovely boat. It is available for this season once it leaves this show. So do get in touch if you'd like any more information, price, photos, videos. We've got everything on this boat. And again, that Argo assured warranty, 5 years. It's really, really good peace of mind for the owner. Yeah, we'd love to hear from you, and do click the link below to go to our website. Thank you very much.